Beyond Meat may have just delivered one of the most encouraging signs yet for its turnaround story. Beyond Steak Filet, the top-selling product on the company's Beyond Test Kitchen website, is officially moving into physical supermarkets for the first time. The whole-cut plant-based steak is now launching at Wegmans and H-E-B. This is still an early retail rollout, not a nationwide launch, but its importance goes beyond the number of stores carrying the product today. Beyond Steak Filet shows that Beyond Meat can still deliver an interesting new idea, introduce it directly to consumers, generate excitement, and then turn that early demand into a retail supermarket launch. For a company trying to rebuild its business, that is exactly the kind of execution investors want to see. From an online launch to supermarket shelves. Beyond Steak Filet launched on Beyond Meat's direct-to-consumer website in October 2025, and at that time, we saw the excitement from investors as the stock squeezed up above $2 per share. According to the company, it received overwhelmingly positive feedback and quickly became the website's #1 selling product based on unit sales. To be clear, Beyond Meat is not saying that Steak Filet outsold every plant-based product on the market. Its #1 ranking applies only to the products sold through the Beyond Test Kitchen website since October 2025. That is a much narrower claim, but the result is still meaningful. Beyond released a new product directly to consumers, people responded positively, and the filet generated enough early momentum to move into traditional retail. Now, Wegmans and H-E-B shoppers will determine whether that online enthusiasm can translate to supermarket shelves. What makes Beyond Steak Filet different? Beyond Steak Filet is not another burger, sausage, or bag of small steak pieces. It is a whole-cut product designed to serve as the main protein at the center of a meal. That gives Beyond Meat an opportunity to compete in a part of the plant-based category that is still less developed than burgers and ground meat. Each serving contains 28 grams of plant protein, which is about 32% of your daily value, 3 grams of fiber, and only 1 gram of saturated fat. The product is made with ingredients including mycelium and avocado oil. It's also non-GMO project verified, contains no antibiotics or hormones, and has earned Clean Label Project certification. Beyond Meat CEO Ethan Brown calls Steak Filet the company's most compelling center-of-the-plate innovation since the original Beyond Burger. That is an extremely bold comparison. The Beyond Burger helped turn Beyond Meat into one of the most recognizable names in plant-based food. Steak Filet does not have to become another Beyond Burger overnight, but it could give the company a viable new product platform if consumers continue responding positively. Why this matters for the turnaround? Beyond Meat badly needs successful new products. The company's revenue declined another 15.3% during the first quarter of 2026, and it continues to operate at a loss. Cost reduction and restructuring may help stabilize the business, but Beyond cannot create a lasting turnaround through expense cuts alone. Eventually, the company must give consumers new reasons to return to the brand. This is why this launch is so encouraging. It shows that Beyond's innovation engine is still alive. The company created a differentiated product, generated real demand through its own website, and then secured placement with 2 established supermarket chains. That does not guarantee nationwide success, but it is tangible evidence that Beyond Meat can still ideate, test, and commercialize products that excite consumers. The direct-to-consumer model could also become an important part of Beyond's product development strategy. Instead of immediately launching every idea across thousands of stores, Beyond can introduce products on a smaller scale and observe which ones attract the strongest response. The most promising products can then advance into retail, while weaker ideas do not require the same large upfront commitment. That could allow the company to use its resources more carefully and improve the odds that future retail launches connect with shoppers. Most importantly, it gives investors evidence that Beyond Meat is not simply shrinking its way through the downturn. The company is still trying to innovate, and create new sources of growth. What investors should watch next? This launch by itself will not transform Beyond Meat's financial results. The real test is what happens after the initial excitement fades. Investors should watch whether shoppers at Wegmans and H-E-B try the product, whether they return to purchase it again, and whether sales are strong enough to justify expansion into more stores. Additional supermarket partnerships would be an especially positive sign because they would indicate that retailers see broader potential in the product. If steak filet performs well, it could grow from a successful online experiment into a meaningful retail product. It could also validate Beyond Test Kitchen as a repeatable way to discover and develop future hits. That would be very positive for Beyond Meat's business and its stock turnaround story. Investors have spent years questioning whether the company can regain momentum. Beyond Steak Filet does not eliminate the company's losses, declining revenue, or other financial risk. But every turnaround begins with signs that the underlying business can still produce something consumers want. Beyond Meat has now shown that it can create a differentiated product, generate early excitement, and move the product from an online launch onto physical supermarket shelves. The next challenge is turning that excitement into repeat purchases, wider distribution, and meaningful revenue. But for Beyond Meat Bowls, this is a genuine step in the right direction. Do you think Beyond Meat Steak can become the company's next breakout product? Let me know below and subscribe for more updates on Beyond Meat's turnaround story. Thanks for watching. I'm Lincoln with BoWAcademy.org. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next one.